Hello, I'm Sarah Cowley, Head Teacher, and I would like to welcome you to the Henry Moore Primary School. Henry Moore is mostly a three-form entry, catering for children from their reception year all the way up to Year 6. At Henry Moore, we aim to take every child to their potential, exposing the children to many new opportunities and experiences so that they can discover their individual strengths and interests, preparing them not only for their next stage of education, but for life. We have a wonderful Parents Association who've raised money over the years to install play equipment for the children to use.
We do lots of sporting events and competitions.
We participate in town, county, regional and national levels.
Our school represented the East of England in the national football finals.
We participate in lots of charity events each year and try to raise lots of money.
They're really fun and they help to build our independence. Adults have made our classrooms bright, colourful and creative, and the displays help us to learn and remember.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our virtual tour.